Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this new lock style. It's super easy, super simple, and super cute, as you can see. This hair was sent to me by a Amazon company, and I will put their name somewhere in here. But as you know, the link to the hair will be in the description box. So anyways, as you can see, this time I'm doing the the rubber band method. So I'm just parting the front of my hair into boxes. I did 3 boxes on each row on the side, and then in the top I did 4 boxes for each row. Okay, so you can do your boxes whatever size that you want them, but I just did mine this size because I knew the locks were smaller, and I really could have did my boxes a little smaller, but yeah, for now I just did these size boxes and they worked out perfect. Alright, so here I'm just crocheting the lock through the braid and through and over the rubber band. So basically, I'm just making sure that I cover the rubber band that I put there previously. And y'all, this hair is some really nice hair for locks. They are 24 inches and they were really light. My only issue is when it comes to crocheting the hair in, they supposed to be pre-looped, but the loops are so small that you're gonna have to like make your own loop, if that makes sense. But it's not hard to make your own loop, but that's just a con of the hair. But other than that, I really like it, and the shipping was quick and everything. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that. So anyways, as you can see, I finished crocheting on the rubber bands, and a couple days later I did go back in and add some more hair to the top just because I felt that it was a little thinner. I ended up using 3 and like 2 or 3 little strands from the 4th pack, and all in all it comes with 7 bundles, so I do have enough hair to do another hairstyle. I really hope you guys like this video. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, I will list it below.